There's nothing quite like the feeling of growing your own food, right? The joy of seeing those tiny seeds sprout and turn into something you can actually eat is unparalleled. It's just so satisfying to walk out your back door and harvest something you nurtured with your own two hands. It's a connection to nature that you can't get any other way. And you know me, I'm all about making things easier and more doable, especially when it comes to putting good, wholesome food on the table. It's all about simplicity and joy. So today, we're talking about something near and dear to my heart, quick-growing vegetables. Want homegrown food fast? These are the plants for you. These plants grow so quickly, you'll be harvesting in no time. Imagine having fresh produce in just a few short weeks. We're talking weeks, not months, to fresh, delicious veggies straight from your backyard. It's almost like magic. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I promise you these plants are as easy to grow as they are delicious. No green thumb required. So let's grab our tools and get planning. There's no better time to start than now. Let's make our gardens flourish together. First up, let's talk radishes. These little root powerhouses are some of the fastest growing veggies out there. In fact, they are often the first crop that new gardeners try because of their quick turnaround. We're talking a mere 3 to 4 weeks from seed to plate. That's right, in less than a month you can go from planting to harvesting. Now, who doesn't love a little instant gratification in the garden? It's like nature's fast food, but much healthier. Radishes thrive in cool weather, so they're perfect for those early spring plantings or even a fall harvest. They can handle a bit of frost, making them versatile for different seasons. Just make sure they get plenty of sunshine and have well-drained soil. They love the sun and need it to grow those vibrant red roots. No one wants soggy roots. Proper drainage is key to prevent them from rotting. To plant your radish seeds, sow them directly into the ground about an inch apart and cover them lightly with soil. This spacing ensures they have enough room to grow. Water them gently but regularly, and in just a few short weeks, you'll be pulling up these beautiful crimson gems. Consistent moisture helps them develop that crisp texture. Slice them thin onto salads for a peppery bite, adding a fresh crunch to your greens. Roast them alongside other root vegetables for a touch of sweetness, which brings out their natural sugars, or simply enjoy them raw with a sprinkle of salt. It's a simple yet satisfying way to appreciate their flavor. However you enjoy them, radishes are a delicious and rewarding crop that will have you feeling like a gardening pro in no time. Their quick growth and versatility make them a must-try for any gardener. Next up, we're moving on to a garden staple, lettuce. This versatile green is a must-have for any garden, providing a fresh and nutritious base for countless salad recipes. Nothing beats that fresh, crisp bite of homegrown lettuce, especially when you know it's free from pesticides and chemicals. And the best part is you can enjoy it in as little as 30 days. Watching it grow from a tiny seedling to a full head of lettuce is truly rewarding. Lettuce prefers cooler temperatures, so aim to plant your seeds in early spring or fall. This ensures optimal growth and prevents the plants from bolting too quickly. If you live in a warmer climate, consider planting them in a shadier spot in your garden or even using a shade cloth to protect them from the intense afternoon sun. This helps maintain the crisp texture of the leaves. When it comes to soil, lettuce loves a good, loose, well-drained mix. This allows the roots to spread easily and access the nutrients they need. To give your lettuce a head start, you can even amend your soil with some compost before planting. This enriches the soil and provides essential nutrients for healthy growth. Sow your lettuce seeds directly into the ground, or start them indoors in seed trays for transplanting later. This flexibility makes it easy to grow lettuce no matter your space constraints. Just remember to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during those warmer months. Regular watering ensures your lettuce stays tender and delicious. Now, who's ready for a dose of leafy green goodness? Spinach, my friends, is not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but it's also a super speedy grower, ready to harvest in about 4 to 6 weeks. Just like lettuce, spinach prefers cooler temperatures and thrives in rich, well-drained soil. Be sure to amend your soil with some compost before planting to give your spinach a nutrient boost. Sow your spinach seeds directly into the ground, spacing them about an inch apart. As your spinach seedlings grow, make sure to thin them out to give them ample space to flourish. This will ensure you get big, beautiful leaves. Spinach loves consistent moisture, so water regularly, especially during dry spells. And don't forget to harvest your spinach regularly. The more you harvest, the more it grows. Let's talk green onions, shall we? These versatile veggies are a kitchen staple, adding a burst of fresh flavor to just about anything. And the best part, they're ready to harvest in a mere 3 to 4 weeks. Green onions are sun worshippers, so choose a sunny spot in your garden for these beauties. They also prefer well-drained soil, so if your soil is on the heavier side, consider amending it with some compost or sand to improve drainage. Plant your green onion sets or bulbs about 1 inch deep and 2 to 4 inches apart. Water them in well and keep the soil consistently moist for optimal growth. Now here's the fun part. You can harvest green onions at any stage of growth. Snip off what you need, leaving the rest of the plant to continue growing. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about arugula. This peppery green adds a unique zesty flavor to salads, pizzas and pastas. And just like our other speedy growers, it's ready to harvest in about 3 to 4 weeks. Arugula prefers cooler temperatures and well-drained soil, just like its leafy green cousins. Sow your arugula seeds directly into the ground, spacing them about 1 inch apart. Water your arugula regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. As your arugula grows, be sure to harvest the leaves when they're young and tender for the best flavor. Arugula is a cut-and-come-again crop, so don't be shy about harvesting often. The more you harvest, the more it grows. So there you have it, folks. 5 easy-to-grow, delicious vegetables that will have you enjoying the fruits of your labor in no time at all. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you and your space. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Try something new and, most importantly, have fun.